Welcome to the channel and test your English grammar. Neither the teacher nor the students test satisfied. What will come here? Is it option A or is it option B or both? Okay, before giving you the answer of this question, let me give you some basic point. Look at here. After neither plus singular subject, then nor, then plural subject, then plural verb. That is, the form of the verb will be determined by the subject after nor. Plural subject, plural verb. Look at here. Neither plus plural subject, then nor plus singular subject, then singular verb. That is, the form of the verb will be determined by the subject after nor. Singular subject, singular verb. Plural subject, plural verb. Look at here, neither plus singular subject, then nor, then plural subject, plural verb. So now come to the point. After neither, after nor, we are getting here students. That is, here students is plural, so we have to choose here plural verb. So is singular and are is plural, so we have to use here a. Neither the teacher nor the students are satisfied. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.